to show you how to enable your Chrome extensions using your Chrome browser. Look in the top right-hand corner up here by the X. You'll see the puzzle piece for extensions. I want you to click on that. Here we'll list all of the extensions that you currently have. Notice you'll have Cami. In order to use it, you're going to want to click on it, but I really think you should pin it. If you pin it, then it comes available right up here next to your puzzle piece. Now, which Chrome extensions are there? What can you install? You could go to the Chrome store at chrome.google.com, and you could search for available Chrome extensions. The Chrome extensions that have been enabled for students are a little different than teachers. I would suggest everyone get the Grammarly extension. Just type in Grammarly, click on it, add to Chrome, add extension, and then look, it comes up right here next to your puzzle piece. Now remember, you want to click on it and you want to pin it so that it stays right up there by the extensions puzzle piece. And that's how you install and use extensions.